To your right! There's one's coming to your right!
I'm reloading!
Ryan! Stupid!
There he is! I got him!
Nigga, no, he won't.
I'm reloading! Ah!
He's in the middle!
Reloading! Ah!
He's screaming the whole entire time! Oh my god!
What's up, guys? In this video, I scream like I'm actually in the war on Modern Warfare. People find it hilarious, and I got amazing reactions. These reactions are priceless, as usual on this channel. Subscribe if you guys are new. You don't want to miss these banger-ass reactions I always be getting on this channel, so drop a like on this video if you guys want to see this series continue, because I love making these videos. It's just a ton of fun. Huge shout out to Bang Energy for keeping me energized throughout this entire recording. So anyway, drop a like on this video, subscribe if you guys are new, and yeah, enjoy the video.
Mom
You have a
pulled
taste
out
of the real world
she was
now.
like, no more Call of Duty.
All right, let's get out there, soldiers!
Hell yeah, brother.
Stupid!
Ah, there's a guy below me! I got him! Enemy KIA! Good job, soldiers! Get ready for the next round!
Oh my god, dude, you're fucking turning me up. Come on, keep it going.
There's time for foreplay later, soldier! We're in a war right now! Alright, I'm going up to the top! Hostile contact in their spawn! One enemy remaining! Me. There he is! I got him! Watch this kill cam, soldiers! I hit him with the jump shot!
Oh, he's using the PP.
I put my big PP in his ass, soldier!
Yo! Yo!
Holy god!
Enemy spotted 300 meters east! I mean west! Sorry, my compass was upside down! Underneath! Got one! Got another one!
Oh! On my body! On my body!
On his body! On his fucking body! Good round, soldiers!
Yo! Yo! Oh my god!
Dude, this guy straight sounds like he's from...
Saving Private Ryan, bro.
Affirmative!
Dude, this is...
Enemy spotted their spawn! Got him! Reloading! I got a UAV in the air! I wasted a UAV, god damn it!
That's the last round, it's okay.
Dude, you're hilarious.
I love you!
That's a class, bro. You're a goat, bro. You're amazing.
That one kid knew who I was. What's happening, soldiers?
Yes! What's going on?
Nothing much! How about you?
I'm doing pretty good!
That's a class.
That's great to hear, man!
I love you, bro.
I love you too! Thank you so much for watching my videos when no one else will!
I can't
I've been
believe this,
watching
bro.
you for so long!
It means a lot!
I know!
Hello there.
What the f is happening, soldiers? Flanking right side! I got the bomb!
What the f?
Molotov out! Hostile contact in the open! I got the bomb! Pushing mid!
Shut up.
If it's too loud, I can turn it down! I'm sorry! Can you still hear me?
Yo.
Too funny.
Flash out! Molotov out! I'm f***ing scared! I'm retreating! Flash out!
This guy.
I'm a soldier and we have a mission to complete!
Let's go! Keep pushing!
Enemy in mid! Enemy in mid! Reloading!
Fall back, soldier! I got one on A side! One on A side! Let us
There's
hear!
one right there.
Shit!
That's how it happened, bro.
You fucking suck!
Oh my god!
It's a sad day.
Flanking A side!
What the heck? What the heck? Somebody's breaking into this dude's house.
Flanking mid!
What are you screaming for?
We're actually in the war, motherfucker! Take it seriously!
We're going to war, motherfucker. Take this seriously.
Enemy KIA! Reloading! There's an enemy with the goddamn riot shield in the tunnel! Holy shit, I'm flanking! Flash out! There he is! He sees me! Reloading! Reloading again! Going to B! Enemy spotted! KIA! Reloading!
I can't even focus. I can't.
Enemy at B! There he is! Ah!
Where's Johnny at, bro? We need Johnny for this. Well, he's like you from the middle.
From the middle! Ah!
To your right, and what's coming to your right?
I'm reloading!
Right, stupid.
There he is! I got him!
Nigga, no, he what?
I'm reloading! Ah!
He's in the middle.
Reloading! Ah!
He's screaming the whole entire time. Oh my god.
Oh, I almost threw up.
Flanking right side! Don't throw up, soldier! There's no time for throwing up!
Oh my god!
Reloading!
Shut up!
Reloading! 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 Sorry, soldier, I forgot to bring extended mags!
I can't!
He's rushing me! There he is! Shit!
Pop the Molotov!
Molotov out! Trying to get a head glitch! There it is! Ah, I hit him! Ah! Reloading!
Stop screaming!
Nope. Good kill! We won that round! Keep pushing forward!
What the hell's wrong with that?
I don't even know, bro. He's screaming the whole entire round.
I have a goddamn headache, soldier!
I can't!
Are you okay, soldier? Do you have a respiratory problem? Tossing ammo crate!
What?
G, soldiers!
I'm too drunk at that shit.
What a great reaction, man.
Dude, it's not that deep.
Damn.
This sound like a Lucas's brother, bitch.
Come here, sweetheart. I'm gonna have to give you something. Tasty.
I'll give you something even tastier, baby girl.
Oh yeah, tasty. Oh yeah.
There's a guy in the tunnel! I got him!
You get him in that tunnel and you the shit out of him.
All right, team, let's go out there. I'm going B.
Oh, you're trash, fisted waffle.
Oh,
You're
fisted waffle. We're coming to fist your waffle, dude.
Oh my God, it's me versus all of them. We lost that round, but it's not over yet. Get ready for the next one.
Oh my god, did you hear him? Did you hear him? Yo, fisted! I'm coming for you, bro. Look at that.
Don't get discouraged, soldiers.
Stay up, soldiers!
Flanking A side.
Nope.
Keep pushing forward, soldiers. We can win this one.
It's 4-0, there's no chance!
Stop laughing at me. I'm serious. This is the war, soldier.
Oh shit!
We lost that round too, but I think we can pull through.
I don't think there's no chance! Yo, Fisted Waffle, you're a legend. I love you. I swear to God, dude.
I love you too. Oh my God. They were dying. They did not expect me to respond like that. It's so funny how nobody on my fucking team talks. It's everybody on the other team. Back to the drawing board, soldiers! You gotta pick it up next time!
Bro, who's yelling?
Fisted Waffle 0-4!
It was a pretty close game, though! I love you too, motherfucker! Oh my God! Drop a like for that reaction. Oh my God, they were dying. Holy shit. This is what I do this for, man. I love making people laugh so much.